Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage notifications in Signal application using your mobile device. If you want to stay control of your messages and reduce distractions, Signal is known for its privacy and security, but customizing your notifications can make your chatting experience even better. First of all, open the Signal application on a smartphone and then from the home page tap on Profile icon at the top left corner. In the pop-up, select Settings. Under Settings, tap on Notifications. Inside the Notifications tab, you can go ahead and customize your notification sound, choose to show notification contents according to your selection and choice. You can also choose to include muted chats, notify when contacts join Signal, and so on. If you want to turn off all the notifications, then go ahead and open up the Settings app on your smartphone and then go ahead and click on Notifications from the menu. Under Notifications, select Signal application from the list. Now, toggle off the button right next to Allow Notification, and this will stop all of your notification alerts from the Signal app. So that's how you know how to manage and customize notifications in Signal to keep your messaging experience smooth and distraction-free. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.